cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes, lad? 60 seconds to blast off. No crackers, Gromit. We forgot you the crackers. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. Breakfast this morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Is it supposed to do that? Don't worry, madam. Everything's under control. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending on that. In the dance. Oh no, Gromit. Get me down with Kingston. Oh, that's quite enough. You'll be hearing from the solicitor about this. Capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbits per minute.
You have a swallowed rabbit, father, and tootle straight on over the... Mind that.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected from it, didn't it? Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting.
Gromit.
Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting.